Finally, understand that Com buys 100 computers that cost $599.79 each. What is the total cost of computers? How we calculate this, the total cost? We need to multiply, because one computer costs $599.79, so we need to multiply 599.79 by 100. And again, how we multiply number by the power of 10? We have to move decimal point how many places? Because we have 2 zeros, so we move decimal point 2 times. So it will be 1, 2, it will be at the end after 9. Always when we have multiplication, we move decimal point to the right. So the solution will be 59979, decimal point. So the total cost of computers will be $59,979.00. After decimal point, we can always add zeros because this is the price. So we see that the cents we have 0 cents. This is my solution.